The cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek. Hold that word of Joseph Campbell in your mind for a moment. The cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek. Anyone who is alive knows fear. It crackles like a fire in our life. Fear of failure that keeps us from risking. Fear that flows from our doubt about personal ability or even personal worth. Fear about the faithfulness of our marriage mate. Fear about being found out in our moral weakness. Fear of the death of a loved one. Fear that our children will not turn out good. Fear of no job when we finish college. The answer to fear is confidence, and the only way to confidence is to name our fear and face it squarely. So the cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek. This is my word of hope. I'm Maxie Dunham, and I believe in Memphis.